Do you want to learn how to quickly and easily delete your Instagram messages in 2023? In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily delete any message from your inbox. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Instagram app and then go over to your DMs. And then tap on the conversation that you want to delete messages from. And then find the message that you want to delete. After that, just tap and hold the message that you want to delete. And it will give you these different options. Simply tap on send to delete that specific message from the conversation. And now that message is deleted from the conversation for everyone. You and the receiver won't be able to see it again. You can only delete messages one by one, so if you have a lot of messages in your conversation that you want to delete, it might take some time to do so. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.